How to use Spocket with Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you are all doing great. In this video I'll showcase exactly how to get started using Spocket with your Shopify store. Basically, Spocket is going to be a platform that is going to help you with your product research and also dropshipping. So basically you can import products using Spocket to your Shopify store, and it's just going to be very easy and simple and just going to make your life much easier when it comes to those stuff, meaning products research and drop shipping. So let's actually talk about how to get started using Spocket for your Shopify dashboard. But first, before we even get started with that, you would need to first understand that it is not a free platform. It does give you a 14 days free trial, but it is a paid platform, and you can see the plans right in front of you right now. They offer 4 different plans: starter, pro, empire, and unicorn plans. Now I'm not really going to compare each plan here because it's going to take a lot of time and it's not really what this video is about. But most importantly here, for the pro, you'll be getting like 250 unique products. Here, I believe you'll be getting 25 unique products, as you can see. 10,000 for the Empire and 25,000 for the Unicorn plan. So just, see which one suits you best. But first, I highly recommend that you try out the 14-day free trial first. And then if you like it, you can just continue on and actually upgrade. So now, with that being said, let's actually go ahead and start and talk about how you can use Spocket and connect it with your Shopify store. First thing is you can either do it by going to Spocket.com, sign up, and then from there you can just connect it. Or what I prefer to do is just go to our Shopify dashboard, and then we can just click on apps and go ahead and find the Shopify App Store. So let's just click on Shopify App Store. And then sometimes you would actually find it within the popular apps, like in this instance, Spocket. But sometimes you won't because, it does change a little bit over time. So if you don't find it, you can just look up Spocket and you should be able to find it right away. It's this one with high reviews, and it does say that there's a free plan available. Regardless, we can just go ahead and click on install. And this basically is just going to connect both our platforms. So the Spocket and the Shopify stores should be connected using this method, which is the easier method, in opposed to, the signing up within Spocket first and then coming back to Shopify. And then from there you go ahead and actually connect them. So here you can just go ahead and fill in these information if you want. So you can just, select whatever you want, or you can just go ahead and actually skip them. Let's just select global and click on continue. Now it's going to ask you to select a price plan, and you can obviously, like I said, try it for free, and then you can just cancel at any time. So you can just go ahead and select your price plan. Okay, so finally, after you select a plan and enter your card information, it's not going to deduct any money from you. It's just going to keep it until your free plan expires, and then it's actually going to charge you unless you cancel, and you can cancel easily. Anyways, so you can navigate to settings, and you can just go ahead and click on my store. If you have not connected the way I just did, and you just signed up for Spocket and now you want to connect, you can just go settings, my store, and actually add using Shopify. You should find Shopify as the first option and insert your store URL in here, and you can just connect it this way. Anyways, now if you just go back, and also you can just set up more stuff in here, like your global pricing account and stuff. But I'm not going to talk too much about that. If we go back here, basically what you can do and how to use Spocket is very easy. Now you have Spocket and Shopify interconnected, meaning if you add anything in here, it's going to show up within your products and is actually going to be active. So let's actually try it out. So to first, just go to the dashboard, And here you can see the US EU products, which is the one that is going to be allowed for you. If you want to use AliExpress products, you will need to install AliScraper, and to get that. And if you want to see more like winning products and stuff, you also need to follow the steps that are given. But for US EU products, it's very simple and easy. You just click on it and you can just enter the keywords that you are looking for, meaning the products that you actually want to dropship. So you will need to actually do your keyword research and see exactly what you're going to be selling beforehand, because this is just going to be showcasing the products that are available within these products that are listed. Now, if you're still not sure which products to go for, you can just use one of these filters and see some of them, like accessories, jewelry, and so on. So if you select one of these categories, it's actually going to show you a lot of products from within that category. But let's say we just know exactly what we're looking for example, wireless earbuds, for the sake of this video, and we can just click on search. It should show us plenty of results that are related to my keyword search, basically. And to be more specific, Spocket does give you plenty of filters to use. This way is going to help you a lot to be more specific with what you want. First is these that you can see, ships from, and then marketplace products if you want, premium products, which is something that is related with Spocket, highly discounted and stuff. You can see exactly what I'm trying to say, fast shipping and so on with premium. I doubt that you will need to actually upgrade first to do this. Regardless, we got fast USA shipping and stuff. But you can just click on filters here, and this is going to be more specific. So ships from country, whether it's going to be United States or Europe, you can just select the one that you want. Ships to, where do you want to ship it to, whether it's United States or Europe, again select this. And then you can also select the shipping time. It's just going to filter things out. You can just select any days if you don't, it doesn't really matter for you. And then here you can also adjust the item cost. So if you're looking for more a cheaper side of things, you can just make sure that you select it from here. I'm just going to keep it as it is, and you can also adjust the shipping cost. So any cost, free or one of those that are listed in here. If you have specific suppliers that you want to look for, also make sure that you add them in here. They will give you a list and stuff. So after you're done with your filters, you can actually go ahead and see the products that are available. So let me just check them out real quick. Okay, so let's say for the sake of this example, I'm just going to be using this one. I just click on it and it's going to show you a lot of information about it. I know this is quite annoying from Spocket, to be honest. It just keeps telling you a lot of stuff here, ads and stuff. Not gonna lie, it's getting annoying. Anyways, aside from that, you can see the details about it, the title, the description. You can see the processing time, the shipping time, approximately, for United States and worldwide. And you can see the return policy and all of those things. If you're happy with it, you can just add to import list. And once you add it to import list, now you will find on the left side for the import list, you should find the products that you have selected. It's this one right here. If you have more, then it's going to also show up in here, and you can see filter through pages and stuff. Now what you can do is actually just go ahead and review the product and just make sure that you like exactly what you see. If you want to edit the description, you can do it either from here, or you can actually do it from Shopify. Same goes for the variants. You can edit the variants that you want. So if you don't want to have the white one, for example, just check it off. And you can edit actually the prices for the variants individually, which is great. And afterwards, you can also set up the images, which I recommend that you actually download them and then compress them and then use them. This way, it doesn't really slow down your Shopify store with these large images and stuff. After you're happy with everything here, or if you want to edit things out from Shopify, you can just push to store from here, or you can just push all the products from your import list. So let me just push this one specifically. And just like that, it says your import list is empty. And now we have live products, one product. And now if we actually go to our Shopify store, go to products here, we should actually find it to be right here. So we can just click on it. And now we can actually go ahead and edit things out, like the description. Make sure that the description suits exactly what people will be getting at, so you don't really scam them. Make sure you have the entire specifications. Make sure that you know what you're talking about, and also be compelling with your description and so on. Same goes for title, images, and everything is going to be in here. So this is pretty much how to use Spocket with your Shopify store. And again, you're going to be having a 14 days free trial. If you really like it, you can, just upgrade. If not, you can just go ahead to membership and cancel it at any time. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.